Alright guys, we're going to look at factorising trinomials here. Let's look at an example. Alright, let's look at x squared minus 3x minus 10. Okay, the factors of 10. The factors of 10 there are 1 and 10, or 2 and 5. Now 2 and 5 are the factors that are going to give us a difference of 3 there. Okay, so let's get rid of 1 and 10, and let's look at 2 and 5. Now one of those two numbers has got to be a negative. And we want the 5 to be a negative because that's going to give us our negative 3 there. So let's put that in brackets, the 2 and the minus 5. So we've got x at front, and we've got the plus 2 and the minus 5 at the end. Now let's expand that out to check. It's always important just to check to see if we've done it correct. So we've got x squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 10. And what do we get there? We get x squared minus 3x minus 10, which is what we started with. So therefore, we've factorised correctly. Alright, let's look at another example. Okay, so we'll take x squared minus 7x plus 12. Alright, so let's look at the factors of positive 12 or 12. We got 1 and 12, we'll have 2 and 6, and we'll have 3 and 4. Now, which of these factors is going to give us a 7? Well, 1 and 12 and 2 and 6 won't, so let's look at 3 and 4. Now, we want the factors to be both negative, because that will give us a negative 7. And negative times negative will also give us a positive 12. So in our brackets there, we're going to have x take 3, x take 4. Now let's check this out to see if it works. We get x squared minus 7x plus 12. So it does work. It's factorised correctly. Okay, so let's look at another example. 2x squared plus 8x subtract away 10. Alright, so we've got a factor of 2 there in front of the x squared. So can we pull out a common factor? Yes, we can. We can pull out a common factor of 2, leaving us with x squared plus 4x, subtract away 5. Now let's factorise inside that bracket there. Factors of 5 would be 1 and 5. Now 1 and 5 is going to give us a difference of positive 4 by making our 5 positive and our 1 negative. So in our brackets there, we want x plus 5 and x take 1. Now again, we can check this by expanding it out. So let's look at x squared plus 5x take x, take 5. Simplified, that is x squared plus 4x take 5. Now remember, we've got that 2 there, so don't forget that. Now that's just a multiplier, so if we multiplied everything through there by 2, we'd get 2x squared plus 8x take 10, which is what we started with. So we've factorised correctly, remembering we've got to have that 2 on the outside there as well. Alright, so we're looking at our final example here, which is factorising the difference of two squares. So we've got 4x squared, subtract away 16. So we can square root 4x squared, and we can square root 16. Now, square root of 4x squared is going to give us 2x and 2x, and the square root of 16 is going to give us 4 and 4. Now, all we simply do is we have a plus and a minus there in the brackets, and there we are, we're finished. Nice and simple.